Hello everybody, good to see you this morning. And today we're going to do something all about, I won't say it, I'll hold it up and you can guess. First of all, let's sing hello. Ready? Sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello. And clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello. Let's wriggle. Wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. So did you guess what we were going to play with today? Yes, play with buses, cars. What if you've got any? I've got all sorts of things. I've got a milk float with nice wheels. Ooh, look at that. Can you see there's a glint of red on those wheels? And I've got a tractor here. And it's got big wheels at the back to help get through the mud, small wheels at the front, great big tracks on the tyres. They're all so different. I've got a little van here that I really like, a blue one. I'm not sure if it's a truck or a van. Maybe you can tell me that. Probably a truck. And you can put things, I think it might be a flatback truck, and you can put things into it, carry them. It's wheels, aren't they nice? Well, look, there's a big truck here. I wonder if you've got any like this. Can you see that one? That's one that you can put something onto the back of. Let's try putting a brick on there. Yeah, that fits nicely. So you could probably carry bricks to a building site. It's got a little blue light on the front. Maybe that's so that if it's got a very heavy load, lots of things on the back and it's going very slowly, it might flash the light. Sometimes I put one of my other cars on the back. It's got to go somewhere. Like I think that one might be going to the racetrack. And this one's taking it there. It's got more wheels, this one though. It's got a lot of space to carry, hasn't it, at the back? How many wheels this one's got? You can see the wheels on that side, and if I turn it round, you can see the wheels on the other side too. Some of you are probably able to count those. So what have you got? What do you like doing with them? I think it's quite fun to line them up on the floor in a line. So I'm going to have my bus coming first, and then maybe a taxi. Beep, 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 beep. What's coming next? Let's see. Where's that police car gone? Can't find it. Let's put the racing car behind. Oh, racing car, you can't go fast today. You're in a traffic jam. Beep, 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 beep. You could line all yours up. You could even see how many you've got. Or maybe you could try putting the big ones at the front and then the smaller ones. You could make a good lineup, couldn't you? And sometimes when people play with their cars, they have a thing called a road mat. Not everyone has one, of course, but that doesn't matter, as you'll see in a minute, because we're going to make our own. But some people have a road mat like this. So this one's got a road up here, and there's a building here. Let's look on the other side. See, oh look, I think it's got some shops and a road, and I think that's a train track down the bottom, and you unfold it, lay it out on the ground, and then you can drive on it. Maybe you can make a little world on there. If you've got some bricks, you could build your bricks up and make houses, or maybe make a church or a school, something like that. You can make a bridge for the cars. If you've got some little people, put some people maybe walking in the park. You've got some animals, it might be a farm, or you could have a pretend farm on your road mat. Here's my little pig, wants to be on the road mat too. Oh, and look, now I've got those bricks in my hand. If you've got one, oh, one's gone down already. If you've got one of those cars that's a pullback car, one where you pull it back and you can feel the friction in it, let go and it goes zoom, like that. You could set up some brick towers, and you could let your car go fact, it could be a race. You could do one in each hand, or if there's somebody else to do it too, they could have one. Which car will get there first, or which car will knock all the bricks down? Ready, steady. Oh, it knocked them all down. Well, lots and lots of things to do. Let me just show you, if you haven't got your own road mat, you could make one out of some paper. You could get some pieces of paper like this and get your grown-up to help you. Stick them down the middle so as it makes it a bit bigger, a bit longer. And then get your pens and do some drawing. I'll fold it over so we can see it better. Look at this. There's the bit that says some cars go that way and some cars go that way on either side of the road. Down the bottom, somebody's drawn a fence, some grass, and flowers. Look up the top here. I think this is supposed to be a wall made from bricks. And there's a little bridge. What's the bridge going over? Yeah, water. I think that's the river. Just imagine driving along on there. Oh, here we go. One car going that way. Here comes the bus. Don't forget to put your hand out. It's coming this way. So you can make your own road. And again, you can put your little people, your trees and animals. Oh, look. The dog will want to go on this one. I wonder if it's going to sit by the river. Maybe it will. So, lots and lots of things to make. And there's something else I'm going to show you as well in a minute. Another way that you can make your own road. But let's sing a song first. So there's cars and buses. What else are vehicles? Boats, planes, helicopters flying, and don't forget the trains. See if we can remember that one. I'll find my bus and I'll find a car. Ready? Cars and buses, boats and planes, helicopters flying, don't forget the trains, cars and buses, boats and planes, helicopters flying, don't forget the trains, Went a bit faster that time, didn't we? I hope you joined in. So what else are we going to use to make another kind of road? Have you got, or could your grown-up make, or maybe next time when there's a bit of money, you might buy some in the shop, but it is much cheaper to make it if you can, some Play-Doh. Look at this, nice Play-Doh. How's that going to be a road? You've got it, that's right. If you get your rolling pin and you roll it till it's long and flat and smooth, you can make a road like this then. Here it is, Play-Doh, all rolled up, long and flat and smooth. Just think, you could make some marks down the middle, do it with your finger like this, to show where some cars go one way and some cars go another way. Can you see? And then, if you wanted to, you could get a different colour, or even the same colour, it doesn't really matter because you'll know what it is. You could roll a piece of your Play-Doh out long and thin like this. I'll give it a little roll, make it a bit longer. You could stick it down the side, and then you would have, going along the side, either a river or a hedge maybe, some plants growing. Then, if you've got in the cupboard at home, one of your grown-ups keeps some pasta for you to have for your dinner. This pasta in here is macaroni, little tiny pieces. You could use those to make a fence. Let me show you what I mean. So We stick one in there, like that. And we stick one next to it, like that. And then another one, like that. Look how this is going. Can you see that fence? I wonder whether we need to have somebody to come and help with it. Oh, come along, truck. Can you carry some of the things that we need to build? Driving down the road, bringing us some more pasta on the back of the truck. Whoa, yeah, take it off, stick it in, next bit of a fence coming up. There now, look. And you could even put one of your trees like we did before. Can you see how it's beginning to look real? And maybe this dog's having a sniff to see what the new fence is like. It says, good fence. Then maybe even a person. Look, the baby's coming along and the baby's going to stand up by the tree and have a look to see. Don't cross the road, baby. You need to have a grown-up with you. Oh, here she is. She's coming to help. And there they all are on the Play-Doh road. Isn't that lovely? It looks such fun, doesn't it? Imagine driving on that. And at the end of the day, and all the cars are ready to stop for the night, and all the people are ready to have a rest. Oh, look, that's where my police van was, inside. So that could be an old box that you've got. This was an oatcake box. And you could put it at the end of your road and drive all the cars in. And it's time for them to stop their work for the day. And all the people will go home. And if it's time to put the Play-Doh away as well, you'd be able to roll that up, squash it up, and start again another day. So that's how to make a Play-Doh road as well. That just makes me think about another car song. Do you remember the one that goes, a big red bus, a big red bus, a mini, 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 and a big red bus. So here's the big red bus, and I don't have a mini, but I'm going to pretend this one is. Quite good pretending, isn't it? It can be anything really. So here's my big red bus, here's my mini, and then it goes, Ferrari, Ferrari. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Where are you, Ferrari? Here we are. Ferrari, Ferrari. Shall we sing it? Let's do it together. A big red bus, a big red bus, a mini, 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 and a big red bus. A big red bus, a big red bus, a mini, 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 and a big red bus. Ferrari, Ferrari, mini, 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 and a big red bus. Ferrari, Ferrari, mini, 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 and a big red bus. Try it with yours. It's such fun trying to change them over quickly so you're holding the right one at the right moment, especially when you're even pretending it's a mini. So lots of songs, lots of things to do. You can make a lineup of cars. You can make pullback cars that knock down bricks. You can use a car mat, build up a little world all around it. You can make a car mat from paper, or you can make a car mat from Play-Doh, roll it out. So many things to do. And all the time you're doing it, you can sing a song. Well, it's time for us now to sing a song. And that's the one that we always sing at the end, the one where we say goodbye to one another. So let's say goodbye from Judy and Claire in the toy library. And then let's sing goodbye, wave goodbye, and kiss goodbye before we go. And hope to see you all again soon. Are you ready? Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye. See you soon.